Dear God, it's me again. I have come to you with a heart of worship.
Baba, mimi nimekufanyia nini ndo unipende namna hii? Nimekufanyia nini ndo unipende namna hii? Baba, mimi nimekufanyia nini ndo unipende namna hii? Oh, nimekufanyia nini ndo unipende namna hii? Jana wimbo na moyo wako kwa Baba, wimbo na moyo wako kwa Baba, wimbo na moyo wako kwa Baba, wimbo na moyo wako kwa Baba. Bila wewe ningeteseka dadi, umenitoa mbali. Kama sio wewe yawe, mimi ningekuwa wapi?
Napiga magoti mbele zako Baba yangu, nainua mikono kwa ishara ya kusujudu.
Yale Baba umenifanyia, wacha nipite shamba. Nimekuja nikupende leo Jehova Shama. Wewe ni Mungu wa mapendeleo, nishakujua. Unapenda vile nataka zaidi.
Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Our good name is Gary Tech Interior Design. So here, this is a 4-bedroom house that I was giving you an update. I think the other video, the yesterday at night video. So like I was told you, we are doing wiring. So this is the day 2 of which our house, it is at least somehow somewhere. So I'm going to give you just to see the updates, and then so far how we are. So like you can see, this is the beautiful entrance, the corridor that is over here. So that like you can see, we have managed to install this beautiful hanging rose that is over here, and the other 4-plate chandelier, it's over here, and then there's another hanging rose over there, and then there's a wall bracket over there. So we are almost completing winding up our wiring. So tomorrow, God willing, I will give you a full house tour when we are done with our wiring of this house. So this is the sitting room, guys. This is the sitting room. Like you can see, it's also quite spacious. Like you can see, we have managed to install 2 fans, of which this is the first one, and the second one is just over there. And then here, this is a beautiful chandelier. Like you can see, we have installed it, so it's only waiting to be powered on, and then we see how the beautifulness of this chandelier. And then over here, this is our wall bracket. Like you can see, it's a 3-in-1 wall bracket. So I think let me try to switch it off. So that was on white, and then it is on warm, and then that is on white and warm. So it is a 3-in-1 wall bracket, of which it's an LED. And then at the upper part, we have a snake light, like you can see, even though you can change its color, but we have not yet. I will just show you how to control using a remote. And then even our like you can see, the fan, it's working. It's a Ramton fan. Like you can see, it's one of the most quality products for when it comes to air circulation to provide on your room. And then I will show you our downlights. They are even changing. Like you can see, that was warm and white, and that is white, and that is warm. And then over here, this is our TV. This is our TV stand, of which we installed our wall lamps, our track light, like you can see over there. So it is even an LED. It's a 30 watts. So the main intention over here was to let me. So like you can see, it change its color. So that is on white. I think it's one color. So let me show you the reason why we bought this, or we put it over here. So we put it here so as to light the light from the upper part going up to the down. For this, whenever maybe you have arranged your flowers, let me come a bit. Whenever maybe you have arranged your flowers or something else so as to have that beauty, so we have to manage to install that one over there. And then here, this is a PVC marble. Like you can see, we have already, so this is the provision for our TV, and then even our socket, it's working. And then here, this is the provision for the let's say for the internet, for the TV antenna. And then here, this is for the internet cable. So we have installed it. And then this is another double socket that is over here. Maybe you want to charge your phone, you can have it there. And then upper at this down, we will come install it, what would we call it, a firework place. So I'm going to lead you to the dining room, and then I show you. So this is the dining room. Like you can see, this is a beautiful wall brackets. Like you can see, they are even for 3-in-1 color. So like you can see, it's even changing its color. And then at the center, and then we have even managed to install the snake light. And then there is a centerpiece over here, which you can see it is quite amazing. Like it gives you that when you are over here, when you're eating, it gives you that taste whenever you are eating on this room. So it is a 3-in-1, and we always advocate to use an LED, so it has some quite advantage for using. And then I think the downlights are not working, but I will show you. I will give you a full house tour tomorrow when we are done with the electrical part only. And then this is our windows. They have sliding windows. And then this is the beautiful entrance that lead us towards, that we have a communication from one who is in kitchen and this dining room. So I will lead you to the first bedroom. Like you can see, everything, I think it's working. So like you can see, we have placed here a beautiful full moon. Like you can see, it's an LED. It can even change its color. It is a 3-in-1. So like you can see there, it changes its color. And then there's a fan over here. So we are in Garissa. So at most we advocate to use, let's say, an air fan so as to cool your house when you are inside. So this is the first bedroom. Like you can see, even our wardrobes, it's already fitted. So the only thing that is remaining here, it's us to do our electrical part, and then later they will come and wash this house. And then I think in 3 to 4 days they'll be welcoming this beautiful house. Will be handing over to the owner. So this is the second bedroom. Like you can see, we have already installed everything. Like you can see, even this is a full moon. And then this is the design, like it's of same design with the other one for the other first bedroom. And then this is the wardrobe for this room. And then here, this is the window for this room. And then here, this is a DP switch, which will be controlling our air condition at the end of the day. So I'm going to let you to the kitchen. So this is the kitchen, like you can see, and then at this part, this is the stove, even though they have not yet lighted up, but this is our stove, like you can see over there. And then this is the kitchen, guys. Like you can see, it's quite amazing. We have already done our everything over here. Like you can see, even our lighting system, it's over here, so as to have a maximum lighting point to this house. And then this is the low level, this for this kitchen. And then we have managed to install a marble on the upper part, and then we have our double sink. As always, we have this our window over here. And then this is the high level for this particular kitchen. And then here, this is the provision for the microwave and an oven over here. So I'm going to get you to the master. This is the master bedroom. So I'm going to get you, the master will be the other one. And then over here, this is the shurak that we have managed to install it here. And then there's a beautiful lighting point light. It is over here, so as to have a beautiful welcoming whenever you enter toward this third bedroom. So this is the third bedroom, like you can see. It's over here, and then it's even working. The fan is working. Everything is working. I think the thing that is we have here, we have an issue with a low voltage, but we are trying to communicate to the Kenya Power so as to have something to do for us. And then this is the wardrobe for this third bedroom. And then our lighting system, like you can see, we have done. It's almost over. And then, like you can see, this bulb, it is on, but due to low voltage, it can't light it on, so it is so different. It's so difficult to light it up. And then this is the toilet for the third bedroom. Like you can see, we have installed our tiles, our shower, our hand basin over here. And then even here, this is the, I think they have not yet put it on, but this is our mirror light, of which our mirror will come and place it over here, of which this is the mirror that will come to be installed over here. And then this is the small toilet for the owner's children. And then this is the big toilet. Like you can see, the toilet is full. So I will lead you to this is a quick house tour. Tomorrow I will give you a full house tour. So this is the master bedroom, guys. Like you can see, we have already done everything, like you can see over here. So this is the beautiful centerpiece that we install it over here, like you can see, even though it's not that much brighter, but so we had to suggest to have at least, let's say, a little bit small amount, so as to the owner to have a humble time when sleeping. Like you can see, our downlights, they are even working. Our wall bracket, they are even working. So everything, I think we are on final touches. Tomorrow I'm going to give you a full house tour of this amazing house. Like you can see, this is the wardrobe for this house. And then here, this is the arc that leads us towards our dressing room, of which this is the dressing room. We install a full moon over here. And then this is the wardrobe, of which there is a double-sided. This is the first one, and the second one, it's just over here. So this is the toilet, master toilet, of which is not yet complete, but we will come and then complete. We have a chemical shower that will be installed it over here. And then this is the shower, normal shower, that we have managed to install it here. This is the toilet, and then this is the sink. There's a hanging sink that is over here. And then this is the mirror light that we'll be using to light up our mirror that will be placed over there. So guys, if you have watched up to there, kindly consider subscribing, share, comment. If you have an issue, you can contact us. Our number is 0746289667. 0746289667. If you want to acquire such services, be it interior designing, be it maybe you want to to have a new construction services, we can have it. Be it repair, we are all flexible, we can do it. So guys, make sure you subscribe guys. We are road to 2K subscribers. Kindly, I don't want to, maybe let's give this target for this month to have for up to 2K subscribers. I will appreciate you so much. So guys, so this is the aftermath of our work. Like you can see, our client has already installed his curtains. Like you can see over there, he has brought his own chairs. Like you can see over there. So guys, this work, like you can see, this is the chair. Like you can see, they went with the simple one, of which you can see over there. So this theme of this house was like a warm white, or let's say, like you can call it a gold. So our client is already happy. He's moving in. Like you can see, like the only thing that is left here is just only welcoming, and then bringing his or her, his entire households to this house, and then we welcome it. So we'll be having a celebration. I think it's on next week to welcome this house. So guys, if you want these services, like you can see our entire video, how we are qualified. We have to do this beautiful side work so as to, I think, even if whoever will be watching this video anywhere, he can just have any call, he can call us, so as you don't have any, let's say, any doubts, like maybe if we give this company, like if you give Garitech interior design, how much will he deliver? So this is the happy client. I think on, let's say, since we started this our journey, I think this is the one of the most biggest project. So I think this is the at least like 5th project of, like you can just have just you can say that this is the one of our most biggest project that we have already done on this since we started our building journey. So guys, like you can see over there, you can reach us. Our number, it's 0746289667, 07469667. We can do any sort of construction work, be it repair, be it building a new house, be it molding work, be it, like you can see, maybe installing a modern TV, like you can see over there, be it let's say like a wardrobes, any interior work, any but we are still, I think we are just the thing that we are the only one who is missing is just only our landscaper, but I think God willing we'll have it one. But when our, let's say, like you can see, when we are still growing. So guys, this is the dining. Like you can see, this is the dining table. Like you can see, is a 8-seater, like you can see over there, and then the table, like you can see there, is quite big enough to serve this entire family. So far this family has only, let's say, has only a wife, a husband, and 2 children, but you can see they have built, let's say, this is like their retirement home up to, I think, maybe, I don't think if he will have any aspiration to build another house, like you can see over here. So guys, thank you for the support that you are still giving towards this YouTube channel. I appreciate you so much, and then I still appreciate you whoever have subscribed to this channel. And so far, whoever, I almost say, if you have come across our services, you can just comment there and then rate us out of 10 in a scale of 1 to 10, and then so as to have that confidence with whoever will be watching this video. Maybe he has his own project he's dreaming to do, so you can just comment there and then rate us, and then I will appreciate you. So whichever feedback you will bring back onto us. So this was the dining room. Like you can see, that was the lighting point, of which we did our Garitech interior design. So initially this was started, this Garitech was started like only interior designing, but with time it started growing up to where we reach a point that we can just have to lay a house from foundation up to the end. So guys, this is like this is the biggest achievement that we always see whenever each and every morning, or each and every morning when I came across with a WhatsApp message saying that, bro, I have this a project, or can we do this, what is your advice? And then I always appreciate that so much. And then for whoever who have died, any we have any we can have any surety when maybe you have doubts towards this channel. We are a registered company, so one day I'll just show you the credits for us, be it for our maybe engineering, and then even our company. We are a registered company, by the way. Don't think that we are just posting this thing for fun. We are so legit, we can assure you so much. So guys, this was our corridor, like you can see over there. We had done our snake lights, wall brackets, downlets, and then centerpiece over there. So guys, and then on room size, and first the size of our plots was 100 by 100. That was accommodative towards this a 4-bedroom house, together with a kitchen, a dining, and a sitting room, of which two bedroom they are en suite. The other 2 bedroom they are not en suite, of which they have their public toilet outside the house, not inside this house. So the owner suggested to have it so as maybe the visitors will be using the outside toilet on this side. And then the plot size that like I've showed you, it's sitting on a plot of 100 by 100. And then the room size, all 3 bedroom, the 2 bedroom was 17 by 17 in room size, and then the master bedroom was on 10 by 17, 20 by 17. And then the other bedroom was like 20 by 17, and then the kitchen was 15 by 15, and then dining room was just quite small, of which was a 15 by 10, and then the sitting room was 20 by 17 also. And then we have a balcony of let's 17 by 8, of which it was just quite amazing, and then it was just quite big. So guys, that was the room size for this house. And then if you want maybe like a house plan, like one of my customer in Malindi, we just drew him and then he gave him. So I'm still eagerly waiting you are called, and then you told me that come and then start our. So here, like he told us, he's just only want to start with foundation only. So guys, I will appreciate you. Make sure you have subscribed to this YouTube channel, comment, like, share. I'll appreciate you so much. So guys, let's take to 2K subscribers. So bye.